This is my client Brittany, and she's going to be getting married remotely, so she wanted to try a few different bridal looks before the big day. To prep her skin for foundation, I added some moisturizer, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter that I'm applying all over her face. I did her brows and added some concealer to the top of her eye, and I just set that with the Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie. I'm chiseling out her crease with the Patrick Ta palette, and this is just the lightest color that is in the palette. I'm taking the color Kitten from Stila. This is the liquid version. I am putting that all over the front half of her eye. If you don't already own this color, I highly recommend getting it. It looks beautiful just by itself, and it's a great everyday eyeshadow. So to start applying the lashes, I am putting a little bit of eyeliner on, and then I'm trying these lashes for the first time. They are the Kiss Foam Mink Lashes, and they are absolutely beautiful, as you can see. I put those on and then I put eyeliner over top. For foundation, I used the Studio Fix from MAC. I blended the colors NC5 and NC13, and then I just stippled that all over her face with the 170 brush. So concealer I really use as a highlighter / concealer. I put it in all these areas of the face, and it's really going to make them pop. This is my favorite concealer. It's the Born This Way Too Faced in the color Swan. My favorite time is to add bronzer. This is the Airbrush Bronzer in Medium from Charlotte Tilbury, and I am just putting that into her contour, the high points of her forehead, down her nose, and a little bit onto her jawline. Now, I don't have the viral liquid orgasm, but I do have the powder, and honestly, it's just as good. This blush looks good on everybody, and it's got little iridescent pieces in it, and it just lights up the face. So I want her to basically look like an angel, so I'm taking my highlighter and I just keep layering that over the same spot so her face will really start to glow. I'm putting that on the high points of her cheeks, down her nose, under her brow bone, in her tear duct, and a little bit on the top of her lip. Highlighter is what makes us look healthy and youthful, so don't forget this step. I want to make her lips pop because she has absolutely amazing lips, but also make them soft. So this is the Ashton pencil from ColourPop. Their lip liners are beautiful. So I'm just outlining her lips lightly, and then I added Nudist Dream from CoverGirl. It's a lip gloss, and it's got kind of like a nudie, shimmery color. It's beautiful. Jacqueline did this amazing braid in her hair, and now she's adding little tiny pearls that we got from Amazon into the braid, and it's so 2022. This is really in style right now, and this is her finished look. Now, I tried to make her look like an angel. What do you guys think? I really feel like she looks like she's just dropped down from heaven. I mean, doesn't get better than this.